It is, what time is it? It is, November the 12th, so it's Wednesday, November 12th, and it is almost 5 to 2. Okay. This is me going outside for the first time this month. My foot hurts. I'd say it was a good deed that I did putting those carts away, but at 2:10 a.m. now, as I return home, the yellow leaves from the trees there between my buildings, or they're also from that tree, but most of these seem to be blown from where I am. Anyway, I'd say that I did a good deed, but I know I made much too much noise for doing a good deed. I guess I was saying if I had to suffer going outside and everybody else did too. Now look at that, 2:10 a.m. in the morning. What the heck is that over the sky? Do you see it? Do you see it? It's above. It's a white. The sun ain't rising yet. Look at it. It's, well, then again, the whole, I guess it's clouds. It's not as dark as it seems by my camera. Look at that lone shopping cart. Do you see it? Where that flagship store used to be. Again, doubtful that there'll ever be a flagship store there again. Nothing that will stay. The sky looks weird over there. Can't be a sun rising. Sunrise is on in that direction. So, what the heck is that? Just the way the clouds are? You guys, can you see it? Maybe it's downtown lights. Or downtown is like one strip, but again, I don't know. I think it's just something strange in the neighborhood. My hands are cold. Feels like winter coming on, which is nice. I don't care if you think I'm weird, of course I'm weird. I'm one of those people going to the grocery store in the middle of the night. You can't see it, but the yellow leaves everywhere. So I went outside. This is my first time outside in the month of November. And if I'm paid tomorrow or the next day, I'll be outside again. So I guess I will have something to write about in my 30 days in agoraphobia. How'd I do? Well, I took 2.5 Xanax and my clonazepam before going. That probably gave me the initiative to decide to wrestle with the carts when I've had no cardiovascular activity since the 28th of August. But enough of that. Ciao, folks, and vlog on. I was gonna say, flow, folks, and ciao, flow, oh, never mind, guys. It's not my catchphrase anyway.